Vikas Navneet craft book for class 3 page number 1. With the help of this worksheet we are going to solve this page. Okay. For this we require craft papers. Craft paper is coming with the book. On back side you see one envelope is there. You can take the papers from it and cut it and keep it in properly. I am keeping in one bag with different colors and different shape. Okay, like this. There are some shapes are there like square, right triangle, square, triangle, semicircle, but some part is there we don't have that type of paper. That's why we are going to color that part. Before sticking paper we want to color that all parts properly. I am taking a blue color to paint the upper part of mosque. This depend on your choice. You can change color also. According to my, I am using a blue color there. You can change color also if necessary. Now after this I'm going to take green color as a down, as a show the garden or way something, using the green color for that. Like this you can paint it. When you painting any part you have to paint outline part first, then paint inside slowly. If any white part is there you can overlap again color. Now I am using a gray color to paint the downside part of mosque. This depend on you. If you want to change like a brown color also you can do there. Okay, like this you can start to color. First color outline part, then inside smoothly. I am using a domes color. You can use which color you have, but it's look like a bright, that's why I am using this color. Okay, like this we are going to paint first. Now which part is for coloring, almost we finished that. With the help of this tool you can remove that and make it smooth. You can use a scale also for that, but when using oil pastel, that time it's come with that box. You can make it smooth and make some. If you want to make texture also, then one part is there to make texture. Afterwards we learn about it. Now we are going to select papers once, which color we are going to put where, how many steps we require. Just randomly I am going to put which color is required there. It depend on you. As a downside you can see the semicircle are there. As a tree, I imagine that as a tree I take green color for that. Okay, like this you can paint and imagination and give color as per your choice. Before sticking how much paper is required, take that much paper out, keep on that page. Afterwards you can keep it outside and then one by one you can stick all colors. Okay, now I am taking a red color for triangle and a rectangle also, like this. I need one more. Yes, now it's look like this. Now I'm taking a different color to stick that parts. As you can see I maintain the color scheme in between, both part trying to do same. If you want to divide in two parts you can see the two parts are same. Like this you can create. See the upside, the moon, like a moon part is there. If you want to paint you can paint it. If you want to leave that as a white, also you can leave it, is depend on you, but afterwards I'm going to stick one color on it. Okay, you can take a Fevicol or glue stick, whatever you have, but use properly. Take a small dot. Once you take a green color, finish all green color part. Okay, how much required there. When you sticking any part, first you have to spread all Fevicol properly to all corners. If it will be going outside, let it be. Okay, that's why you can use properly there. Then spread it by using a finger and stick the papers or sticker. Okay, like this you can do. One by one, how many colors are there? Yellow, take one color and stick it. Sometime what will be happen, before, if you start to stick paper one by one, then after you understand one paper is not there, one color paper is not there, that time you are going to stick different color paper, it's not good. That's why we are going to select the paper first, then we are going to put on it and stick on it. Like this you can do it. Okay, in this book the shapes are given on back side. You can take from there, cut it properly and keep it properly, because we have some how much paper we require, that much quantity is there. Don't forget any paper, don't leave any paper anywhere. Okay, like this you can turn it. Afterwards, if you want to do border is not necessary. If you want to do, you can do it. Not for all parts, because already the all parts having a border. Okay, if you want to stick paper afterwards, if you want to do border, you can do border, but when you doing border, put outside only. I'm going to show you fast how to. Sometimes if glue is not dry or wet, that time the color will spread. You can see there on yellow paper, the color is spread. Take a time to dry, and then after you can do the border for all side. See that I am just doing the border only for outline part, not inside. Okay, on top there are 3 parts there. I am going to paint this by using the black color. Okay, now for a gate or something, entry point is there. There I am using a gray color. I am making some design on it as a window or door. Okay, like this. Dividing part, make outline. Now it's look like this. Okay, afterwards we are going to learn one by one page properly. Okay. Now afterwards it look like this.